The resort was designed in a way that focused on preserving the existing environment, minimizing damage to the terrain, preserving 200 of the existing trees here.
What's up there is the longest self-maintaining rooftop garden in Singapore. A layer of soil is beneath it and it traps the rain, which keeps the building underneath it cool.
The impacts from climate change, from environmental degradation are becoming really impossible to ignore. And this is, of course, our guests' long-term concern. They also want their children to be able to appreciate our natural heritage. They want it to be around for the future generations. So here we're growing our own vegetables using methods where we don't use any pesticides. We also make sure that we don't use any chemical fertilizers, growth accelerators. This is our wormery. The wormery is one way that we can naturally compost our food waste. This is the earthworm castings. This is very high quality fertilizer, and it has a lot of nutrients and a lot of beneficial bacteria that we then can use to grow our plants. They grow up healthy, they get fed to our cafe, and this actually creates a closed loop cycle where there's no wastage in this process.
You're trying to escape. Go back. What was here originally was a road, and to keep nature intact, this pool was built over it.